In this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover your Genshin Impact lost account. Now let's begin. Let us close the Genshin Impact app first. We will send an email to Genshin Impact support. Let's open our email app and compose a new email. We will send the email to genshin_cs@mihoyo.com. And for the subject, type Account Recovery. And once done, send the email. Our email has been sent. They will respond in few minutes, so let's wait for it. The response from Genshin Impact has arrived, so let's check it. Here, they ask me to provide the following information of my Genshin Impact lost account. So let's reply and provide the information of our lost account. So number 1 is they are asking me to provide the user ID of my lost Genshin Impact account. So let's type my user ID. Number 2, they are asking me to provide the username. It is the username you are using to log into your Genshin Impact account. Third, the last email address that was linked to your account. And number 4, which third-party account your Genshin Impact was linked. My account was linked to my Google account, so let's type Google. And number 5, when was the last time you logged in to your Genshin Impact account? Type the exact date. And the last one, explain to them what happened to your Genshin Impact account. Tell them that you want to recover it. And once all are done, we can now send the email and wait again for Genshin Impact support to respond to our account recovery request.